Hey there, ever noticed how ants never seem to give up? They are always on the move, always working towards their goal. It's like they have this secret superpower that keeps them going no matter what challenges they face. Their determination is truly remarkable. Let me tell you why that's something we should all learn from. Ants are the unsung heroes in the insect world. From building intricate nests, foraging for food, to protecting their colony, they show us resilience every single day. Their teamwork and dedication are unparalleled. From dawn till dusk, they are constantly on the move, balancing multiple tasks with precision and efficiency. It's not about how many times they face obstacles, but how many times they overcome them. Their spirit is unbreakable. Think about it. How many times have you seen ants tirelessly working through the toughest conditions? They never seem to rest. It's not because things are easy, but because they have an unyielding spirit. They face challenges head-on, with unwavering determination. They know that life is a marathon, not a sprint. They pace themselves knowing that persistence is key. Remember that time you saw ants carrying food much larger than themselves, working together seamlessly? Their teamwork is a sight to behold, or when they rebuilt their nest after it was destroyed, their resilience is truly inspiring. These moments are small but powerful reminders that perseverance is key. They teach us that no matter how tough things get, we can always rebuild and start anew. Ants teach us that struggle is just a part of the journey. They show us that it's okay to face challenges head-on, and that giving up is never an option. They show us that it's okay to face challenges head-on, and that giving up is never an option. Their perseverance is a lesson for us all. They remind us that hard work and determination always pay off, even if it takes time. Success is not immediate, but it is inevitable with persistence. So, next time you feel like throwing in the towel, think about the ants. Think about their strength, their courage, and their unwavering commitment. Think about their strength, their courage, and their unwavering commitment. Let their story inspire you to keep pushing forward no matter how tough things get. Let their story inspire you to keep pushing forward no matter how tough things get. Remember, you have that same resilience inside you. Remember, you have that same resilience inside you. Embrace it. Keep moving forward, and never ever give up, and never ever give up. That's the magic ants bring into our lives. That's the magic ants bring into our lives. Let's honor their struggles and let them light the way for our own journeys. Let's honor their struggles and let them light the way for our own journeys. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay inspired,